I'll show you how to make and upload your own Roblox shirt on your phone easily. The first step is to download the Custom Use app. On the Custom Use app, you'll have to sign up for an account. From there, you'll be able to select the Roblox category where you can look for designs you'd like to remix. Once you find a design you like, go ahead and remix the design. Here, you'd be able to change the colors of your designs. You can play around with the colors as much as you like. Find a color that works for the theme you're going for. You can also add accessories to your design. You can go through each category and choose an accessory you'd like to add. On top of that, you can also add some of your own images by going to the Upload tab. You can also add images from the Media tab, choose an image you like. On top of that, you can also generate images by typing in a prompt for the AI to generate. Finally, you can also add text, choose a font you like, and type in a text you'd like to use. You can change the colors and add an outline. You can adjust it however you want. You can move it around in the 2D texture view. Finally, you can also draw directly on the outfit. Choose a brush preset and draw on the outfit. Once you're done designing your outfit, you can directly save it to Roblox. Go to the top right corner and select the Upload to Roblox button. From here, Custom Use will ask you to link your Roblox account to your Custom Use account. It's a very straightforward process. Just log in and select the necessary details. Once that's done, we can go back to Custom Use and upload the outfits. Choose which one you want to upload first. Then add a name and description. Upload your outfit design to Roblox for 10 Robux. You can find a link to the outfit you created on Roblox. We can even put the outfit on sale. Go to your browser and visit the Roblox website. Find the Create tab and then navigate to the Creations tab. On the Creations tab, go to the Avatar Items category and then select Classics. In Classics, select Shirts. In here, go and find the outfit you just uploaded. Select it and put it on sale. Set the price for it. You can set it to how much you want. I'd recommend setting it to something like 5 or at most 8 Robux. And that's how you create your own shirt design on Roblox on your phone.